Hi, I am Claire Devlin, Eco Coordinator in St Colm's High School in Draperstown, and I'm joined here today in Susan's Trail, or Biodiversity Trail, by my colleague Michelle Blade, who also runs the Cornstore Youth Club, Nancy Higgerty, a member of the Ballinascreen Fold, and our pupils Sinead, Anna and Katie. The school and the youth club work together with Ballinascreen Fold members, and they are supported by Men's Shed and S.T.E.P.S, a mental health charity, and they've done great work in the Fold, restoring an eco-friendly garden.
The Balms Green Inter-generational Project saw many parishioners working together, from us teenagers to senior adults, working together to develop a garden for our local fold. With the help of Men's Shed, we built bird boxes, weeded overgrown areas, planted wildflower seeds and recycled ornaments. As well as developing the garden, we enjoyed bingo nights, karaoke and treat nights.
I'm Nancy and I live in Ballinascreen Fold, and it was a pleasure working with those children. They've left us a proud garden to look at, and I'm really proud of them, and I wish they'd come back again.
When lockdown came, we wanted the Fold members to know that we hadn't forgot about them. We thought of different ways to keep in touch. We sent treats and cards over to the Fold. In August, Mrs Blade and Mrs Devlin sent them Live Here, Love Here, Food for Thought growth packs. We hope they will enjoy planting trees to remember loved ones in the new memory garden in Susan's Trail.
We've been involved with Eco Schools for over 15 years and are really lucky to have a very enthusiastic and active Eco Club. 2019-20 started off brilliantly. We removed plastic bottle vending machines and all staff and pupils moved towards using reusable bottles. Our Year 13 pupils promoted our school's plastic promises at an All-Ireland Ocean Summit in Dublin. The Eco Club ran a coffee morning for S.T.E.P.S and Macmillan Cancer, raising £2,100 for the two charities. This was massively supported with donations from all businesses in the community and by community members attending the event. Key Stage 3 pupils wrote to their MLAs and MPs with their solutions to climate change, and they were to host an eco event for local councillors and MPs in March, just after lockdown began. Pupils had carried out climate strikes and litter blitzes as normal with the local primary schools, and they had completed their RSPB birdwatch. When lockdown came, we didn't want our pupils to miss out on their normal eco activities, things that they would have carried out like Earther, the Big Spring Clean and Walk to School Week. We were also conscious that pupils might be anxious, and we wanted to do something to reduce the level of anxiety they might feel due to COVID-19. I set up an Eco Google Classroom, and over both lockdowns many fun outdoor activities took place which were good for pupils both mentally and physically. Rather than focusing on pupils missing out in lockdown, I tend to think of the positives that our pupils gained throughout the lockdowns. They got to spend quality time with their families, they spent more time in nature, and they got to really enjoy the beauty around them.
I joined the Eco-Google Classroom because I wanted a break from learning. I also wanted to learn why the importance of the environment is. Another reason was I wanted to carry out the fun eco-activities we did in school to my house. During this time, I loved doing all the activities. I loved going outside, taking photos, going to look at different types of birds and making daisy chains. I especially loved the 30 Days Wide Challenge. My eco code was voted second, and on Minecraft I created a eco-friendly sustainable school. I love seeing all my friends and teachers on EcoZoom. I am glad I joined the Eco-Google Classroom because I now connect more with nature, know more the importance of the environment.
Firstly, we would like to get the safe return of all the young people into the classrooms. Then, our next part is to participate in some fun eco activities in the great outdoors. So we're going to have our second memory garden, and we're going to have people from the community that have lost loved ones that can plant some trees for the family members that they've lost. Prior to a lockdown on the 20th of March 2020, our school was really good at reducing plastic waste. However, we know that there's more people using more items to keep themselves safe. But on the 27th of March 2021, during our Earth Hour, we will be promoting to reduce the use of plastic waste again. Thank you. Goodbye.